The wet grinding and honing machine S200 grinds a multitude of different knives. Grinding attachments adapt the machine to various requirements. The wet grinding and honing machine has 3 grinding devices. The edges of bowl cutter knives and hand knives are ground on the wet abrasive belt. The contact wheel regulates the pressure that is put on the knife. The abrasive belt is suitable to grind normally used edges. The fine grit in combination with the flexible contact wheel removes only as much material as absolutely necessary. The knife is ground gently. The wet grinding wheel offers a high material removal. Thus damaged bowl cutter knives can be repaired. Also, chamfered edges of circular knives can be ground with a grinding wheel. The knives are polished on the polishing brush. The burr from the grinding is removed. This gives the knife the final sharpness and surface quality. The water coolant of the abrasive belt and grinding wheel protect the knife from overheating while grinding. Thus, too high temperatures, which can cause damages in the metal structure of the knife, are prevented. In the bowl cutting process, the cutting and emulsification or mixing of the raw material should be finished simultaneously. Also, the temperature must not get too high. Therefore, the shape and the profile of the cutting edge have to be fitted to each other and have to be ground accordingly. The grinding attachment of the S200 guide the knife along the grinding wheel and abrasive belt. The knife shape is preserved and the grinding result is always reproducible. The grinding angle can be adjusted to the accuracy of 1 degree. The convex profile of the cutting edge is being attached by simple adjustment of the grinding angle. An edge which is processed in this way has a much longer lifetime. The safety equipment reduces the danger for the operator to a minimum. The function wheel fixes the clamping plate. The knife can be placed conveniently and safely. The grinding devices are open at the grinding area only. Contact with the grinding devices is avoided. Thus, every knife gets the correct finish.